so for the backup sensors, you're going to put a screwdriver in here and pry on the top and the bottom, and then it'll come out. And then you have to take out this housing. So then the housing comes off in two pieces. You'll just basically pull that front part off and then slide it out. Okay, so on the backup sensor, you're going to want to come in here first and spread at the very base, just like this. Put a screwdriver in here and spread it here and spread it here. And you can see that when you have it spread on both sides, then you can pull the sensor straight out. Loose there. Okay, so the sensor comes out there. Okay, and then so you'll compress it again on the inner sides of this clip. That allows you to slide it out the front, and that other ring just comes off the back. Okay, so we're going to slide our backup sensor in so that it's flush. Then on the back side, we're going to slide this cover back over, and you want this open gap lined up with the open gap here so the plug will work. And when you slide the new one in here, the plug part here goes into that gap. And when you push it flush in, the top tabs will lock into place.